Rosh Hashanah is the Jewish New Year. The word Rosh in Hebrew translates into English as the word head. It is also known as the birthday of the universe. According to the Jewish calendar, Rosh Hashanah begins at sundown on the eve of Tishrei, the 7th month of the Jewish calendar, and it lasts for 2 full days. This generally coincides with September or October of the Gregorian calendar. While the date of the holiday remains the same on the Jewish calendar, the date changes each year on the Gregorian calendar. That's because the Jewish calendar is based on the cycles of the moon, while the Gregorian calendar is based on the cycles of the sun. Rosh Hashanah is a time for celebrating the year ahead, while also reflecting on the year just passed. The central ritual of Rosh Hashanah is blowing the shofar, or ram's horn, in the synagogue. Traditional foods enjoyed during Rosh Hashanah include a round challah or egg bread, apples dipped in honey, and other foods representing wishes for a sweet year. On the first full day of Rosh Hashanah, many Jews perform a ritual known as tashlich, when one symbolically casts one's sins into a body of running water. However, it is also customary for one to ask for forgiveness and make amends. 10 days after Rosh Hashanah is Yom Kippur, the Jewish Day of Atonement, when Jews traditionally fast a full day, from sundown to sundown. Those 10 days are known as the Days of Awe and are also known as the High Holidays. Traditional holiday greetings include L'Shana Tova Tikatevu, which means Happy New Year, and may you be inscribed in the Book of Life. Simply wishing someone a happy and healthy New Year is also a welcome greeting.